Today we are reading Nature Trail, read by KittyCat. Peppa Pig and her family are going on a picnic in the woods. Daddy Pig has the map. We need the picnic too, says Mommy Pig. But the picnic is still in the car. In the woods, Peppa sees something on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I can see some footprints on the ground. Peppa and her family follow the footprints on the ground. A bird made these footprints, says Mommy Pig. Look up there, in the tree, says Peppa. I can see some birds. Then Peppa sees more little footprints on the ground. Look down there, says Peppa. I can see some ants. Peppa and her family are hungry. They need the picnic, but it is still in the car. Oh, he forgot them. Daddy Pig looks at the map. I don't know the way back to the car, he says. I know, says Peppa. I can see our footprints too. We can follow our footprints back to the car.
So then you will listen. So you will watch the video. You will do the listening.
Then it rains. The rain takes all the footprints away. How will they get back now? I wonder. I know, says Peppa. I can see some ducks over there. Ducks love the rain, and they love picnics. We can follow these ducks back to the picnic in our car. The hungry family followed the ducks all the way back to the car. I love picnics in the woods, says Peppa. The birds, the ants, and the ducks love the picnic too.